Welcome to the Life Coach Academy's coaching series. Topic: the remembering process, how to time travel your way to success. Have you ever noticed how vividly you remember your childhood home's scent, yet struggle to picture your dream life in the future? That's because your brain is wired to remember, not predict. And that's exactly why the remembering process is so powerful. Most manifestation techniques ask you to visualize a distant, uncertain future. But what if, instead of creating your future, you simply remembered it? Imagine yourself 5 years from now, sitting on a balcony overlooking the ocean, sipping coffee, your business thriving, your relationships full of love, your health vibrant. Now here's the shift. Don't see this as a maybe. See it as a memory. You're not hoping for it. You're remembering it. When I discovered this technique, I was broke, sleeping on a friend's couch. Instead of visualizing success, I started remembering it. Moments like receiving my first big check, partnering in my dream business, and walking into my perfect home. Within months, everything changed. Science supports this. Brain scans show that vividly remembered events activate the same neural pathways as real experiences. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between memory and reality. The more emotionally charged the memory, the stronger the neural imprint. To practice, find a quiet space, close your eyes, place yourself 5 years ahead, looking back. Remember the key moments, breakthroughs, and emotions, joy, gratitude, pride. Feel every detail, the smells, sounds, sensations. This emotional engagement is critical. Flat memories don't rewire the brain, but emotionally vivid ones do. When you remember your success with full sensory detail, your reticular activating system starts scanning the real world for matching opportunities. You begin living into your memory. This isn't mystical, it's neuroscience. Your brain primes itself to align with what it believes has already happened. I've seen people transform their lives, careers, love, finances, health, not by wishing, but by remembering. So the next time visualizing your dream feels hard, try this instead. Don't imagine what might happen. Remember what did. Because your success isn't in the future, it's already happened. All you have to do is recall it. Watch the next lesson for deeper insights on manifesting your goals.